Hi, this is Raven. The last video I did was how to drag dead bodies, and it got me thinking, if you're doing a stealth mission, it'd be really cool if you could hide those dead bodies like you can on games like Hitman. So that's what I've done, and this is like a little demo layout. I'll just go over it quickly. So we've got three methods to hide the body. We've got a barrel, a bin, and some garbage bags. I've added sound effects like as you interact with them. There's a little trigger bit here for me. All that's going to do is drop this wall away so I can kill these guys and they don't see me before then. This little trigger here, this just allows this guy to walk down to here. So what we're going to do is we're going to kill this guy, leave the body, get this guy to walk down here so you can see him react to the dead body, and then we'll reset and we will hide the body and get him to walk down and see that he doesn't react at all. I am using a mod. The mod is called Improved Melee System and it's by WebKnight, but the only thing I'm using from that is their AI. So if we go to Opt4, WebKnight's AI, Men, Stealth AI, so that's what these guys are. And basically it converts the Arma AI into old school Metal Gear Solid style AI, which you'll see in a minute. So I'll show it running. Okay, so it's crouch. So to approach the AI, you want to crouch and sort of shuffle forward. So if you can shuffle without making noise, then they won't hear you. And you can see when you get pretty close to them. So I'll just kill him. So what I'll do now is get this guy to walk down and you'll see him react. There you go. It's just like the Metal Gear Solid, very similar. So we'll restart and we'll hide the body this time. This is brilliant for stealth missions. Drag the body, like the last video. Dragging it over to the bin, release the body, and then we get an option, hide body. That little sound effect. So now when we get this guy to walk down, there you go, he's none the wiser that we've just killed his mate. So drag him over to the barrel so it's repeatable, so we can hide as many bodies in it as we want. Hide body. And then, right, so I'll sneak over here so I don't alert these guys because they'll hear me running. Not that it matters because I've done them without any weapons, so I messed that up, didn't I? Okay, so drag this one over to the bin. Release the body. And then we get an option, hide body. Again, sound effect. And then drag this one over to the rubbish bags, trash bags. Release the body. Then we get the option, hide body. Again with a sound effect. That's it. Turn to editor. So as you can see, layout wise, there's a trigger area for the barrel, and it's so you drag the body anywhere around the barrel and then anywhere around the bags. You can see the trigger area is in front of the bin. I just did that for realism. You wouldn't load the body from the back of the bin, so you have to put it in front, but you can change that if you want. What I'll do is I will put this mission and the supporting files, so the SQF files and the sound effect files, I'll put it all in a zip file in my Dropbox, and I'll put a link in the description so you can literally download it and play with it yourself and then copy it into your mission if you want. I'll also put a link to the mod that I'm using, like the Steam link, so you can go and download that if you haven't already. And that's it. So I hope that was helpful. Good luck.